Hello everyone, today I want to show how you can get YouTube on your Xiaomi laser projector, and it's very easy to do that. You just need to download two apps, link below. You can begin. Download those two apps, it's linked below, in USB stick. You set in your projector and it pops up automatically, and you choose USB, open, and those two apps. Okay, YouTube, you're gonna install first. You just push install. It takes a little while. It's about 40 megabytes, so it's not little app. After that, you just push done. Go in another app, this one. It's calling Micro OG YouTube, and I already installed, but when you do this first time, you need to install. But I push update. It takes a little while. Done. Now we go back in home screen, my apps, and we have those two apps. This is your YouTube. Open up and enjoy. What I strongly recommend, connect wireless mouse. It will be much easier to control. It's easy to do that. Just remove USB, connect wireless mouse, and it's much nicer to control now your projector. You can share some music, you can try some music. So, enjoy! I hope you like my short video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!